Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a garlic paste, and these are the two ingredients that I'm going to be using. Extra virgin olive oil and some garlic. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is I'm going to add my garlic. I buy the one like this because it's easy. It's already peeled for me, so I can just throw it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna come and add my olive oil. I'll have the amount of garlic I'm using and olive oil. So we're gonna start off with a little like this, and then we're gonna come and we're gonna close it up and we're gonna blend it. Okay, we want it to be like a paste. Okay, once you blend it, you want to open it. You want to come with a spatula. Make sure you put the sides down so what didn't blend can blend, right? And then we're gonna reclose it and we're gonna blend again. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna come and open it again, and this is ready. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it into a container that we can put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so I just want you to see the way it looks in the blender. You see how it's like pasty? That's what you're looking for. Okay, okay guys, so I'm just gonna pour this into my bowl. Okay, and the reason I'm showing you this is because garlic is very healthy for you, believe it or not. And if you don't like it, when you put it in your food, you won't taste it as much, but it is very, very healthy. So I recommend you looking at the benefits of garlic. It helps with a lot of different stuff. Okay, you see that? Sorry, that's my dog. Okay guys, so that's it. This is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You see that? I recommend you trying this. Garlic is very good and healthy for you. Okay, if you guys have any questions, any recommendations, please let me know. I will have the amount that I used in my description below. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and give me a nice big thumbs up. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.